Good morning, students. Let us start today lesson number 14, statistics, exercise 14.3. 14.3, exercise of median. Okay. So, median formula already we studied in the previous video. Therefore, you recollect the formula. All of you just recollect the formula of median, mean, and mode. All the formulas recollect. So, the formula for median is L plus n by 2 minus Cf divided by F into H. Okay. So we can start, see the sum. So I already made the table. I told you already for finding out the median we need only 3 columns. Okay. So first of all you take your textbook and first question read. I didn't written the question part, I written only the answer part. Okay. So columns you see all the columns 65 to 85, 85 to 105, 105 to 125, etc. etc. Okay. And these are the number of consumers, that means the frequencies, how many persons are consuming this much electricity, that is only written here. Okay. And now next column means cumulative frequency. Cumulative frequency means what type of cumulative frequency here coming? Less than cumulative frequency table. So for finding out the median of any question, so you always need a less than cumulative frequency table only. Less than cumulative frequency table, how making I told you. Okay, see here once more. So here 4, and next column 4 and 5 add and write, and next column this full add and write, or this cumulative frequency add with the 13, then also okay. Whatever writing answers same only will come. Either you add this full or you add this cumulative frequency plus this 13, then also answer will be okay. And next one 22 plus 20, how much coming? 42. Then 42 plus 14, 56, and 56 plus 8, 64, and 64 plus 4, 68. Or you add in this way, this column 4 coming, and next to this 2 add, next to this 3 add, next to this 4 add, and next to this all 5 add, and next to this all add, and next to this all the frequencies add. Any method you do. So any method doing, and the cumulative frequency correct only will come. Okay. So the total frequency how much came? Total 68 came. So now our duty is to find out the median class. So median class is, the median means what? Middlemost value. When we are arranging the observations in the ascending or descending order, median is the middlemost value. So that the total frequency is 68 here. So you find out the n by 2th frequency. 68 by 2 how much coming? 34. 34 where lying you find out from the cumulative frequency. It is finding out from the cumulative frequency only. So here up to 4 consumers, here up to 9, here up to 22, then 23 onwards up to 42 where coming this table, this column. See here. So that the frequency 34 will lie in which class? This class. Okay. So this class we are calling as the median class. Okay. Median class got now. So what is the lower limit of this class? 125. And here in case of median you want to know the data want to come continuous. No need of any gap in between. That is, here you can see upper limit and the lower limit. Here both are same. Such a way continuous wants to come. If it is not continuous, we have to make it is continuous. Okay. So median class got now. In this median class, what's the lower limit? 125. Okay. Then F. F means in the formula 1F is there. F means frequency of the median class. The frequency of the median class is 20. And CF means cumulative frequency of the preceding median class. That means 22. Okay. All the details got. Now go to the next page. See here, all the details I written here. Okay. You directly apply in the formula. Okay. Median L plus n by 2 minus CF divided by F into H. So what's the value of L? 125 plus CF n by 2. N by 2 means 34. Okay. And CF is 22 and F is 20, and the class size how much coming? So upper limit minus lower limit subtract and see, you will get 20. Okay. Now calculate it. 125 plus 34 minus 22 means 12 into 20 divided by 20. So 20 will cancel, so you will get a 12. So 125 plus 12, how much coming? 137. Okay, you got the median. But in your question, not only median asked there. In your question, you read the question, you want to find out mean, median and mode, all the three measures of central tendency you want to find out. So first we found out median, and now we will find out mean and mode also. Okay, go to the next page. Now we are going to find out the mean. Mean, I didn't want to explain more, already we explained, completed. So first what we will do, class, then frequency, then the mid value xi, and then ui, then fi ui. This much columns required for finding out mean. Okay, so mid value how finding out? Upper limit plus lower limit divided by 2. 85 plus 60, how much coming? Sorry, 85 plus 65, how much coming? 150. 150 divided by 2, 75. Here all you can see class length the same now. So then I told you, if class length the same coming, you just add them. So 25 add and write. Here all add. Okay. And the frequency is given. Now you want to find out, next your duty is to find out assumed mean. Okay. So assume, then you find out ui. Ui is equal to xi minus a by h. A how much? What you selected? 135, and h already you know in 20. So this details knowing now, yes. And now next column fi ui, find and multiply. 4 into minus 3 minus 12, 5 into minus 2 minus 10, 13 into minus 1 minus 13. Okay, 20 into 0 0, 14 into 1 14, 8 into 2 16, and 4 into 3 12. Okay, then fi ui, negative numbers and positive numbers add, and you got sigma fi ui how much? 7. Okay, all the details knowing now. So you apply in the formula now. Apply in the formula. What is the formula? X bar is equal to a plus sigma fi ui divided by sigma fi into h. So a means how much? 135. Sigma fi ui knowing 7, and sigma fi knowing 68, and the value of h knowing as 20. So here 135 plus 7 into 20, 140 divided by 68. 140 by 68 calculate 2.05. So 135 plus 2.05 means 137.05. Okay, clear? Okay, next we will find out mode. Mode also everybody knowing now. So class you need and frequency knowing. No. So now, what you want to find out first? Model class. What is model class? Model class is the class with the highest frequency lies. So where highest frequency? Here. Among all the frequencies, the highest frequency is 20. Therefore, this is the model class. Okay. So what is lower limit? 125. And what is f0? 13. f1 is 20. And f2 is 14. That all I written here. And h class length 20. Apply in the formula. Okay, formula you have to by heart. Formula is very important. In formula any term is missing, the whole answer is missing, you will get the mark of this column only. Okay. See, apply, formula apply. L plus f1 minus f0 divided by 2f1 minus f0 minus f2 into h. Okay. Mod L how much? 125. f1, see how much f1 coming? 20. And f0 is 13. Then 2f1 means 2 into 20 minus f0 means 13. Then f2 means 40. All values applied here. So 125 plus 20 minus 13 7. 40 minus 27 into 20. Only calculations. This calculation you can do yourself. Go to the next page. So mode is equal to same. 125 plus 7 by 13 into 20. 7 into 20 how much? 140. 140 by 13. So 140 by 13 how much coming? 10.76. So 125 plus 10.76. 135.76. Then your question is there. Compare them. After finding mean, median and mode, you have to compare them. So comparison, what is the comparison? Simply you knowing here 130, mean how much got 137.5 and median how much got 137 and mode you see 135.76. Actually these three, mean, median and mode, are the three measures of central tendency. Any method you can apply. Either you apply mean for finding out the measures and you otherwise you find out median, or sometimes we will mode. So that much difference is not coming in any of the values. See here 137.05 and 137 and here 135.76. Very minute difference only coming. Okay, this therefore we can able to accept these three as the measures of central tendency. Okay, and now next question number 2. That is only you want that is you want to find out the missing frequency. That is very important type of sum. See the next question. All of you take your textbook and read the question. Read first. First you read the question. What do you want to find out? If the median of the distribution given below is 28.5, find the value of x and y. Median is given 28.5 given. Find the value of x and y. Whenever in any questions two missing frequencies are there, surely they will give the total frequency. Then only we can, one missing frequency we will find out by the calculation, and the next missing frequency getting you want to know the total frequency. So in all the two missing frequencies are there, total frequency will get. Okay, here total frequency given. How much given? 60. Okay. So see here, it is very important type of some missing frequencies. Every year one question is coming. So first you see class 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60. Class length is same now. Everywhere class length is same. And frequencies 5x, 20, 15, y and 5. So now what is your next duty? To find out the cumulative frequency. Cumulative frequency teacher told already. Simply add them. Less than cumulative frequency table, no. So less than 5. How much? Less than 10. That means less than how much frequency coming? 5. That only will come here also. And less than 20. The meaning is that 5 1 plus 6 add 5 plus 6. Okay, clear? Then this whole add, how much coming? 25 plus x. And then this whole add, how much coming? 40 plus x. And then from here all add 40 plus x plus y, and full adding 45 plus x plus y. Okay, these are the cumulative frequencies. Any method you apply and find out the cumulative frequencies, table completing you will get to 1 mark full. Okay, so make the table correct. Cumulative frequency clear now? Okay, 5 here, then 5 plus x, then 5 plus xa plus 20, that means 25 plus xa. Then 25 plus xa plus 15, how much? 40 plus x, 40 plus xa plus y, 40 plus x plus y, and 40 plus x plus y plus 5, 45 plus x plus y. Okay. See then now we can find out the missing frequencies. See here, first I told you, you have to find out the median class. Here you may think that here median class how to find out, because n by 2 coming total frequency 6, 45 plus x plus y. Two frequencies already missing, so you are not knowing the values of x and y. So that here already in the question median given now, median given. Median where lying you find out. Median, mean and mode always lying in the classes only. Mean, median and mode always lying in the classes only. So if 28.5 median already given now, so median 28.5 where locating you find out from the class. 28.5. 28.5 lies between 20 and 30. 28.5 no, it is less than 30. Therefore, it is lying between which class? 20 to 30 class. Okay, 28.5. If missing frequency question, surely you will get the median. So, median where locating on the basis you can find out the median class. Okay, 28.5 coming in which class? 20 to 30. Clear? Okay, so this is the median class. See here. So you got the median class now. Okay, clear? Now what is lower limit? 20. And what is the f frequency of the median class? 20. And what is the CF, cumulative frequency of the preceding median class? 5 plus x, okay, total frequency knowing 60, and the length of the class size, see here 0 to 10, 10 to 20, class size is same now. So what is the class size? 10. So all I written here. Okay, once more recollect, median 28.5 and n by 2 knowing 60, already given here 60, so 60 by 2 30, and L knowing, CF knowing, F knowing, and the class length knowing. You apply in the formula. Formula apply first. What's the formula? Median is equal to L plus n by 2 minus CF by F into H. So what is the median here? 28.5 directly given now? Yes. 28.5 right here. And what is L? 20. And what's the value of n by 2? 30. Properly apply. And minus 5 plus x. See here. Here one point you want to remember. After minus 2 terms coming, you put in the bracket. Otherwise answer will change. Because if you are not putting in the bracket, you will write a minus 5 plus x only. So your answer, there is a chance to become the answer is wrong. So that point you just remember, after minus 2 terms coming, always put in bracket. Otherwise this minus put inside and write. And minus putting inside, what will come? Minus 5 minus x. I told you, minus putting inside the bracket or minus taking outside the bracket, sign will change. That only you remember. Okay, got clear? L 20, n by 2 is 30, minus CF is 5 plus x, and the frequency is 20, and the class length is 10. Okay, move to the next part. See here, 28, this here L was there now. This, L, you taken this side now, just previous page once more. See here, L here written now. So some students what doing, these all the terms are mixing up. If all the terms are mixing up, no, surely you will get a complicated calculation. So that this L never mixes these terms. So this L directly you subtract here. This L means it is on the right hand side, coming this side it will become minus. So 28.5 minus 20, clear? 28.5 minus 20. Then 30 minus 5 minus x divided by 2. Previous page once more. So here this 0 and this 0 cancelled, that is why here 2 came. Okay, sit down now. 2 came, okay. And now 28.5 minus 28.5 coming now. This 2 how came? I told you, here 10 was there, here 20 was there, 0 cancelled, that is why 2 came, okay. And this 2 multiply here, 8.5 into 2 cross multiply, how much coming? 17, okay. Then 30 minus 25, 30 minus 5 means how much will come? 25 minus x. Okay, this you got 17 is equal to 25 minus x. So this minus x take this side and 17 bring this side. So minus x going that side plus x. So 25 minus 17, that is equal to 8. So what's the value of x? The value of x is equal to 8. Okay. You got the value of one missing frequency got. Now you want to find out the second missing frequency. For finding out the second frequency, total frequency given here. Okay, so you can see the total frequency. N is equal to 45 plus x plus y, that is given as 60. And the value of x, how much came? 8. So 8 written here. So 45 plus 8 plus y, 60. So y is equal to 60 minus 53. Therefore the value of y is equal to how much? 7. So you got both the missing frequencies x and y. Both the missing frequencies x and y. X is equal to 8 and y is equal to 7. Okay. Okay, next question you read. A life insurance agent found the following data for distribution of ages of 100 policy holders given. Calculate the median age if the policy is given only to persons having age 18 years onwards but less than 60 years. Okay, actually this is this table you see. After seeing this table, you can very clearly understand what type of table given. Okay, original frequency distribution table is given? No. It is given what? It is given less than cumulative frequency table given. So this less than cumulative frequency table you have to convert to or ordinary frequency table. Then only you can do the sum. Okay. So this less than cumulative frequency table we have to convert to ordinary frequency table. So listen here. See this all values you see less than below 20 means this is the upper boundary point of the class, and below 25 you see these all are the upper boundary point of the particular classes is given. So that this below 20 written on that we can convert to here. You see what's the difference between the 20, 25, 30, 35. So you can see each upper boundary point difference 5 only coming. So you can able to make the class. Below 20 means what will be the class? 15 to 20. 15 to 20 how many coming? 2. So what's the frequency of this class? 2. And below 25 means below 20 and below 25 together adding you are getting 6. So that 20 to 25 how finding out? 6 minus 2. How much will come? 4. Such a way the classes are forming. That I shown in the next page. You see here. See I written the given table is given as less than cumulative frequency table. Therefore, the given table is less than cumulative frequency table. We have to make to ordinary frequency table. Okay, listen here. So how coming I already explained. So now how the tables how written you see here. Below 20 how much coming? 2. So 15 to 20 how much will come? 2 only. And below 25 how much total came? 6. Therefore 20 to 25 how much? Below 25 6 coming, the meaning is that all together all these two classes frequencies together 6 came. Therefore 20 to 25 how much will come? This 6 minus 2 frequencies subtract. In this way continuous subtracting and writing you will get all the classes frequencies. See here below 30 total how much given? 24. So below 25 6 is there, then 25 to 30 how much will come? 24 minus 6 18. Clear? And next one is below 35 how much given? 45. So 30 to 45 how much will come? 45 minus 24. Are you got clear now? In this way you make a ordinary frequency table. Ordinary frequency table now you got. If ordinary frequency table getting, then only we can able to find out the which one? Median. Okay. Now see, first you have to find out the median class. How to find out the median class? Median class is the class with the n by 2th frequency lies. Median class is the class with the n by 2th frequency lies. Here total frequency how much coming? 100. 100 by 2 how much coming? 50. So 50 where coming? Here you can see this is the cumulative frequency table. So here how much coming? Here up to here 45 coming, up to here 78 coming. So 46 onwards coming in this class. 46 onwards coming in this class. So 50 where will come? 50 will come in this class. So this is the median class. Are you got clear? Already knowing the median how finding out. Okay, see here calculations now. So total frequency sigma f is given as 100 and n by 2 means 100 by 2 50 and median class is 35 to 40. Okay, L 35, CF 45 and F 33, H 5. This all you know. Just simply applying this conversion only, converting to ordinary table only you want to know, remaining all same as the previous one. So 35, n by 2 is 50 and CF is 45 and F is 33 and class size is 5. Okay, see the next page. So calculations only here, see calculations. Okay, okay, clear now? Now question number 4. Question number 4 also you read from the textbook. All of you read. The length of 40 leaves of a plant are measured correct to the nearest millimeters and The data obtained is represented in the following table. So length of the leaves are given. Okay. And here this table having one difference just like the previous one. See here, 118 to 126, 127 to 135, 136 to 144, etc. etc. What's the difference in this one? In this table you find out by yourself. I will give you 1 minute, you find out what's the difference in this table compared to the previous tables. You can find out the difference. Okay, got the answer? See here, 118 to 126. Here how much came? 127. Is it coming continuous? No, there is a gap in between there. For example, any leaves length is 126.5 coming, where will mark? So the 126.5 is not here. So this type of questions coming, you have to make in the continuous frequency table. How making the continuous frequency table? Listen here. So here 126 no upper limit, here 127. What's the difference between them? 1. Here also see, what's the difference? 1. Here all you see difference is 1. Here all difference is 1. Upper limit and lower limit difference is 1 only. So what is half of 1? 0.5. So for getting the upper boundary point you have to add 0.5, and for getting the lower boundary point you have to subtract 0.5. Clear? Are you got clear? Some students are studying and kept you have to add 0.5 and 0.5 subtract. No, that is not the method. Here suppose for example the gap in between them is 2 coming, you have to take the half of 2, and then half of 2 how much coming? 1. 1 you have to add and 1 you have to subtract, then only it will come. But here what is the difference coming? Only 1. 126 and 127, difference only 1 coming. Therefore the half of 1 is 0.5. So 0.5 add for getting the upper boundary point and 0.5 subtract for getting the lower boundary point. Clear? Okay. So go to the next page. That only in the sum. So all the different types of sums I explained. Now see here. So we made in the continuous classes made. See the textbook also see, and otherwise the previous table also you see. 118 to 126, 0.5 subtracted, no, point subtracting, what you will get? 117.5 to 126.5. Here points of subtracting and here 0.5 adding. 0.5 subtracted 117.5 gain, and here 0.5 adding 126.5 gain, and next column is 127 to 135. So here also 0.5 subtracted, 0.5 added. Next step, here 0.5 subtracted and 0.5 added. Here also 0.5 subtracted and 0.5 added. Okay, all the columns. 153.5 and 162.5, 162.5, 171.5 and 171.5 to 180.5. This is only the method. So this third and fourth question having some differences that I explained, so that two sums you concentrate more. Okay, and the class frequency is written and cumulative frequency is written. Cumulative frequency once more you see, same 3, then 3 plus 5 8, 8 plus 9 17, 17 plus 12 29, 29 plus 5 34, 34 plus 4 38, 38 plus 2 40. Okay, clear? Here n is equal to how much came? 40. Here n is equal to 40. So see the previous table. N by 2. N by 2 how much coming? 40 by 2. What is coming? 20. So in the cumulative frequency, see where 20 coming. Up to here 17 coming. Up to here 17. Then 17. After that 18, 19, 20, 23, etc. Up to 29 coming in this table, in this column only. See. So this is the median class. Okay. So median class got now. That is a very important point. Median class wrong, then full answer is wrong. So median class found out. So in the median class lower limit is or lower boundary point is 144.5, and the frequency of the median class is 12. CF is 17, and then class length the 126 minus 117.5 how much coming? 9. Okay, all the details written here. Calculate now. Apply the formula. Median is equal to L plus n by 2 minus Cf by f into h. So 144.5 plus 20 minus 17 divided by, what is f coming, 12, and what's the value of h at 9. So this 9 and this 12 I cancelled here, and here 3 coming, here 4 coming. So 20 minus 17, how much will come? 3, and that 3 together I written here, 3 into 3, 9, 9 by 4. So 144.5 plus 9 by 4. So 144.5 plus 9 by 4 value is 2.25. Therefore, your answer is coming as 146.75 mm. So the median of the length of the leaves is equal to how much got? 146.75 mm. Now, total 7 sums were there in the 14.3 exercise. I explained the 4 sums. Now the 3 sums are given, that all are very easy type of sums. Only complicated sums both I explained. So question number 5, 6, 7 is homework. Are you got clear? Question number 5, 6, 7 is homework. Okay, homework all complete and keep in your notebook. Okay, next topic I will explain in the next period. Okay students, bye. We will see in the next video.